So I'm a traveling chef, and the place that I'm helping out this month, the chef is actually one of my former students. I used to teach culinary school, so it's super awesome to see her in this environment because it's probably been 12 years since she's been in school. She's doing dynamite. But so I asked what her style is of cooking, or where she got it, where she got her style, because it's not where I thought it was going to be from, which is a story kind of in itself. And she said it's just kind of what she likes. So, but then of course she asked me how I got my style, and I think it's good to know. It's good to think about. So, how I got my style of cooking is I always disliked, and now I almost hate doing something that has already been done out there. So like comfort food, I've always despised comfort food. I like eating it, of course, because it is dynamite most of the time. But so I like doing different stuff that no one has seen, and that's what I would do. I would just kind of take dishes and rearrange them, or take some of the ingredients that I hadn't used before, and then kind of put them in a new way. So one of the places, the first place I worked out of college, 95, it was a Pacific Rim restaurant. So, they'd use a lot of cilantro in that back then. I thought it tasted like Dawn dish soap, but now I absolutely love it. So I'm like, all right, well, I'll make it a new vinaigrette. So I did a cilantro vinaigrette with rice wine vinegar, which I had never used before. So, and that's not out of control by any means, but back then, I had never done it, and I just kind of made it up. And then I was telling her I had some leftover gumbo, and the staff ate what they wanted, so there was a little bit left over, a pint or so. So I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna make a gumbo vinaigrette. And so I did. I took the shells, off the shrimp tails. The scallops are in there, and I pureed the whole thing, added oil and just a little bit of other flavorings, some fresh herbs. But then that was my gumbo vinaigrette. So I like doing things that just typically aren't thought of. What is your style? Where did you get it from?